In this video, I will demonstrate the process of scanning a QR code on the Discord mobile application. Discord is a widely used platform for messaging and voice chat. Scanning QR codes offers a convenient method for swiftly joining servers or adding friends. Let us delve into the detailed steps. Initiate the Discord application on your mobile device. Upon successful login to Discord, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner to access your profile. Subsequently, tap on the settings gear icon situated at the top right corner to access your settings. Within the settings menu, navigate downwards and locate the Scan QR code option. Proceed by tapping on the QR code option to launch the QR code scanner. This action will activate your device's camera, enabling you to scan QR codes. Position your device's camera in such a manner that the QR code you intend to scan is captured within the frame. Ensure that the QR code is adequately illuminated and not blurred for optimal results. Once the QR code is successfully captured within the frame, Discord will automatically scan it and execute the corresponding action. This action may involve joining a server, adding a friend, or any other action associated with the QR code.